Are you a federal or postal employee wondering how your insurance benefits can work better for you? Well, it can be overwhelming to sort through all of those options, but today we'll break it all down into a simple, easy to understand terms. And by the end of this video, you'll feel confident, or you definitely should feel confident about your federal employee insurance choices and how exactly to make the most of your benefits. If you've enjoyed our videos, we would consider it a point of pride if you would click the like and the subscribe buttons. Clicking the chime will notify you of our new posts. We have also provided to you at no cost a free copy of our downloadable e-publication, the Federal Employee Benefits Handbook. It's chock full of all the information that you really never cared to know about. And if you desire, you can also purchase it from Amazon. And now, back to our video. Let's start with the health insurance, a cornerstone of federal employee benefits. The Federal Employees Health Benefits Program, or FEHB, is the most comprehensive health insurance options available. With over 270 plans across the country, there's something for everyone. Trust me, there is. You'll get a choice between plans like HMOs, PPOs, and high deductible plans, depending upon your needs and your budget. And there's actually, here's the best part. The government typically covers about 72% of your premium. That's a huge savings compared to what you might find in the private market. Plus, many plans also include dental, vision, and prescription coverage. Another thing you might want to know about is when can you update your plan? Well, that's only during open season, which typically happens at the end of the year. I can't say that's the only time because there's special exemptions, but if you're not sure which plan might be right for you, don't worry. You can come to us. We can help you every step of the way. Now, let's move on to life insurance. Many of our videos have talked about FEGLI. So FEGLI, Federal Employee Group Life Insurance, is a program that's designed to give you peace of mind. Most federal and postal employees are automatically enrolled in basic coverage, which offers a solid foundation of protection. If you need more coverage, you can add optional layers for yourself, your spouse, or your children. One of the great features of FEGLI is its affordability. The rates are based upon your salary and age and making it accessible for almost everyone. And the flexibility is a game changer. You can adjust your coverage during qualifying life events like getting married or having a child. Also, speaking of life events, don't forget to keep your beneficiary information up to date. Many employees often forget this step, but it's so important to ensure your loved ones are protected. Trust me, the longer we've been doing this, the more, we've seen some bad things. So keep that in mind. For our postal employees, there are some exciting changes that have taken place. The Postal Service Health Benefits Program came into beginning in 2025, and this program is designed specifically for postal employees and will ensure that you have the same high-quality coverage you're used to. It's always a good idea to stay informed about these changes. And if you're not sure how this will affect you, the benefit coordinators again can help you navigate the confusing details. Now let's talk about retirement insurance. One of the best parts of working for the federal government is the ability to carry your FEHB or your postal health benefit into retirement. If you're enrolled in either of these programs for the preceding 5 years leading up to your retirement, you can keep your health benefits for life. This is a huge advantage when you're planning for your golden years. And don't forget about the Federal Long-Term Care Insurance Program, or FLTCIP. This program, although no longer available for federal or postal employees, if you have it, you better keep it. But this program helps cover the cost of services like home health care or assisted living, giving you peace of mind as you age. Life insurance can also play a key role in retirement planning. Many retirees choose to maintain supplemental FEGLI coverage to help with expenses like funeral costs or remaining debts. So let's address some common questions about federal employee insurance. First, what happens to your insurance if you leave federal service? That's a good question. If you retire, many of the benefits like FEHB or the Postal plan, they will continue provided you meet the eligibility requirements. However, if you leave federal service without retiring, FEGLI typically ends unless you convert to a private policy. Now, this is just like if you worked for a major corporation. You leave the major corporation, you lose the benefits. Plain and simple. Another frequent question is how to update your beneficiaries. It's simple. You can update your life insurance beneficiaries using the SF 2823 or through your agency's benefit portal, if they have that option available. And finally, what if you miss open season? Oh, Lordy. Big mistake for you. Changes to your FEHB plan can only be made during open season or after a qualifying life event such as getting married or having a child. That's why it's so important to review your options carefully during this time. Hey, excuses just don't cut it. I've heard federal and postal employees go, well, I've been really busy. I didn't have time. You had a month. Come on, kids, let's get with the game. Get a ball and get in the game. So how can you make the most out of your benefits? Geez, let's start by reviewing your coverage annually. Your needs often change over time, and it's worth checking if another plan might serve you better. Certainly. Also, another point might be to consult with experts like the benefit coordinators. Our team specializes in helping federal and postal employees understand their benefits. We'll work with you to find the options that best fit your needs and help you understand and avoid the unnecessary stress. Finally, plan for your future, whether it's with health, life, or retirement insurance. Make sure your benefits align with your long-term goals. At the Benefit Coordinators, we're dedicated to helping federal and postal employees just like you get the most out of your insurance options. If you feel unsure or overwhelmed, don't worry, we're here to help. Take the first step towards securing your future today. Reach out to us at the Benefit Coordinators and let's simply talk about your benefits. Again, I thank you for watching this video and don't forget to share it with fellow federal and postal employees.